Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Some common medications can cause sudden hiccups. Corticosteroids, benzodiazepines, and certain chemotherapy drugs may trigger hiccups by irritating the diaphragm or nervous system. If hiccups start after a new medication, consult your doctor. It could be a side effect needing attention.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.